And look, as I'm sitting outside chilling, you know, making all these videos, I got a helicopter flying by overhead. Can't make this up. That's about the second or third one just flying over me tonight. It could just be a coincidence, you know, but I'm going to record it and post it anyway. You know, I'm not being paranoid about it, but I'm just posting it to show that I keep having this helicopter right here flying over like I had a minute ago. First you couldn't hear it, and now you can hear it. Because I'm out here making all these videos.